Good evening from Disney's Wilderness Lodge. We are here for dinner at Geyser Point. Are you excited?
Yes, we've been wanting to do this for so long, but keep putting off because you can't make reservations, so that makes it a little bit tricky, but we finally got everything to align in our favor.
We will dive deeper into those details a little bit later, but let's head down because our table is ready.
Yes.
For those who are not aware where Geyser Point is, it is just beyond the main pool area. It's just right on the water, kind of looking across more towards Disney's Fort Wilderness. Geyser Point Bar and Grill is a restaurant here on Disney property that you cannot get reservations for. You have to be here at Wilderness Lodge in order to even have an opportunity to eat here. Since we are pass holders here at Disney, we did park at the Ticket and Transportation Center for free because we could park there for free, and we did take transportation over here. It was a very convoluted way, but because we don't have dining reservations anywhere else and we're not staying at Wilderness Lodge, that is how we got here to Geyser Point. Jay is also with us. Hi, Jay.
Hello.
I looked at the menu before we got here. The Bison Cheeseburger sounds good. I also think the cheesy barbecue brisket sounds good. And then they also have like special food that, like 2 special sandwiches that sound really good.
We did look at the menu before we got here. What wasn't listed on the menu was this fried chicken sandwich, which I am looking forward to getting. This is what I'm getting. Hopefully it's good. We'll see. I probably have to get it without the sweet chili glaze or spicy. The glaze, actually.
You like the glaze, you won't like the slaw.
Yeah, the slaw I'm not gonna get.
But you would like the glaze.
What did you get to drink?
A sipabration.
We've siperated before, correct?
Yes.
Is this a character that you've gotten before, though?
I believe so. I think this is the one that...
What is that, Goofy?
I think it's Mickey. He's good.
Are you sure?
It's Mickey.
Do you want to drop him?
No, not my food!
If you don't know what a sipabration is, it's like the 50th anniversary drink. It costs way too much money, but Isabelle likes getting it. And you just drop the thing in there, and that's what it is.
They don't have any mocktails.
All the other lemonade you get at any quick service or sit-down places, all sugar-free. So if you want sugar, this is kind of the only way to get a lemonade with that. Unless you're at Beaches and Cream, which they have pink lemonade there that is not sugar-free, which I found out like 2 days ago. Jason, would you like to tell us what you're drinking today?
This is Elysian Space Dust IPA. You can probably find this in all 50 states and other locations. It's all over the country. A lot of people like it. It's distributed everywhere, and Elysian's all over the country, so It's not really exclusive.
Cool. One of the biggest selling points for Geyser Point is that it's one of the only locations on Disney property where you have a true waterfront view, especially here on Bay Lake. To give a quick panorama, this obviously is Wilderness Lodge. This is where Geyser Point is. You can see Bay Lake Tower over here, the DVC for the Contemporary, but then if you keep going over to our right, you can see the old Discovery Island. If you don't know about it, look it up. It's very, very interesting. You can see some remnants over there of River Country, or what was supposed to be a new DVC tower as well. But yeah, this is basically one of the best views on property if you're not looking to just get a castle view, which everybody's kind of looking for. I know this was super, super quick, but I think I've been told that our food is already here. We're gonna hop over there and show you exactly what we got.
I got a slow roasted steak sandwich with smoked Gouda cheese sauce, roasted red bell pepper, arugula, caramelized onions, and a pretzel roll.
And I got the fried chicken sandwich with sweet chili glaze, spicy slaw on the side, and lettuce tomato on a Kaiser roll, which I didn't know what a Kaiser roll is, but now I do, obviously.
That's really good.
I think you're just saying that. Are you just saying that? Or is it actually good?
It's really good. It's got all my favorite things in it. Bell peppers, caramelized onions, and a pretzel roll. It's really good.
Let's go. This is all over. I don't know if you could get this on the plate. Look at the plate. This spicy, whatever it is, spicy sweet chili glaze is mainly on the plate and not on the burger. That's okay. It doesn't need the glaze at all. Our chicken is good enough. I'm sure I'll like it, but if you don't like the sweet chili glaze, that's not a anti-selling point on it.
Not a deal breaker.
Not a deal breaker for sure. Our waiter keeps trying to peer pressure me into eating the spicy slaw. I'm not gonna do it.
Come on, you gotta try it.
I don't like slaw. What is it? It's cabbage.
You want me to try the spicy slaw?
Yeah, Jay, try the spicy slaw.
I don't like
Watch. It's okay.
Okay, Jay's turn. Jay, try the spicy slaw.
Just pick up the whole thing. I don't want it.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's spicy.
Is it?
It's very spicy.
It's very spicy. What are your overall thoughts on your sandwich?
I'd give it like a 9.5 out of 10. It's very good.
Oh, that's very high.
It's very good.
Okay,
And
okay.
it's got a cheese sauce too. And the chips are good. It's got all my favorite things.
Fries are better than the chips. Chips are still good. You say no? No? One other really cool thing about Geyser Point is that there are like a lot of outdoor seating if you want to get a tan, whatever, that's cool, but there's also a lot of good indoor seating. There's a lot of variety. There's bar stools, there's, you know, couches and just regular tables as well. It is a little bit hard to like eat on a couch, these very messy burgers and other meals, but I don't know, it's variety, and you don't get that variety at every location here at Disney World for dining. After a few bites of this chicken sandwich, I will say the spicy, I keep having to look at it. Spicy chili glaze is very good. It's not that spicy. How about that though? Is that spicy?
It's actually kind of good, and I don't even like slaw.
Really?
I should just eat more of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think you'd order a whole like bowl of it?
No.
Ew, no.
You couldn't do that?
No, but I could eat more.
Yeah, okay.
Let's try it. I don't know. What do we do?
How about with a fork?
Yeah, like a civilized human. Oh, okay, that's not what I meant. That's not what I meant. Oh my god.
Spicy slaw. Spicy. It is spicy.
While we were sitting here, there are a group of baby ducklings with their mother that rolled up, and I believe they might be extended family to Donald and Daisy.
This is the cheapest character meal I've ever been to.
It's chocolate mousse, and they have candy rocks. I'm a big fan of candy rocks.
Are you sure? What if one of them is a rock?
That would be bad.
That would be a good prank. I'm not the biggest fan of moose.
You're
I
not?
prefer elk
Okay.
or deer. That's some moose. Let me try one more just to make sure it's actually moose. It's very airy.
That's what mousse is.
Okay, but I would it's very just straight up chocolate. There's nothing like inside, I don't think so far. I've only gotten a little bit in.
Yeah, it's just gonna be just mousse.
Yeah. I've had like Oreo-ish mousse, and I was expecting that just because they have like the dirt stuff, and usually that's kind of more spread out when you're having like a cup of dirt, and that's kind of what it is, obviously minus worms, gummy worms. Did you get a rock in there on purpose?
And icing.
How was it? How was it? You got the part of the flame on top too.
It's good. Very good.
Anything else? Any other input?
Yummy. I'd have to give the dessert a 6 out of 10. It wasn't the best. The presentation was very fun, but the taste was eh. Oh my god, they're so tiny. Thank you so much for joining us here on our very first trip to Geyser Point out Disney's Wilderness Lodge. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, comment, let us know, what do you eat here? What's your favorite thing on the menu? See you guys real soon.